Welcome back to my video. If you are new, make sure you like, share and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you Gap Factory latest discount deals coupon 12-month updates how you will get. Check out my YouTube video description first link. Click this special discount continue button. It will take you to the Gap Factory official website. 40 to 70% off spring sale, 50% off tees and jeans. You can check out. They will also show you a pop-up give you 20% off. If you enter your email and click get your code, you will get the discount. Also from this down option, you will see a notification. Open it. You will get 45% off clearance, 10% off, 50% off and others opportunities which will help you to save money with confidence. Down to the website last option, sign up here to receive 20% off. Let me show you a special coupon. Get extra 10% off purchase using this coupon GFEXTRA. Take a screenshot, get 10% off using the coupons. If you click deals and clearance, they will also give you up to 70% off to their best selling product that people are buying the most. Now let's say the next month is Black Friday or Cyber Monday or Father's Day. Any moment clicking the continue button, you will get discount like this which will help you. Now if you need a special coupon code like this for any website, special deals and cashback for any website you want, check my YouTube video description second link. Create a free account on top cashback. Search here with any website name keyword, you will get cashback, you will get deals and coupons that will help you to save money. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button. See you again into the next video.